So guys, welcome back to the channel from another episode from paradise, from the Dominican Republic. Today I'm gonna show you two of the most beautiful beaches that you can ever see in the Dominican Republic. I hope you guys enjoy the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys after the intro. Yes! Buenos dias, señoras y señores! We are starting our day with some French baguette. Actually, we wanted to get some bowls, but they were closed because it's Sunday. And yeah, there's like a French boulangerie, which is like a bakery, and they make some really good stuff over there. But it's so busy. Let's go there. And today we are going to visit some of the nicest beaches in the Dominican Republic, and we have a little ride ahead of us, and yeah, we'll take you along. Hola amigos, buenos dias. We are starting our day with the breakfast by the beach, guys. Actually, we wanted to get some bowls, but it's Sunday, and on Sunday some shops are closed, so I don't know. But we found a really nice bakery. It's a French bakery here in Las Galeras. We got some jamón y queso baguettes, and we are enjoying our breakfast with some epic and some really amazing views. Look at this, guys.
Smells like burger.
Yeah, smells like a hamburger. But absolutely epic. Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, we are right now on the way to Las Galeras, which is our first stop, and we have 15 minutes left, but we had to stop because look at this, guys, it's total vibe. And you can actually see the island of Hispaniola over there. We are right now on the peninsula of Samaná, and you can actually watch whales right here in this bay. It's absolutely crazy, but they're coming in March. It's not the time. And you have some papayas here. Look, wild papayas. Yeah. Actually, there's also a little bit of trash here everywhere, but it is what it is here. Alright guys, we just arrived in Las Galeras, and this beach looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this. We have white sand, we have turquoise water, there's an island called La Isla, and these guys are driving with some boats over to Playa Rincón, which is over there, and no, Playa Fronton is over there and Playa Rincón is over there. We're gonna visit both beaches as well, and you can only access them by boat. But now let's chill and have a coconut at Las Galeras. Absolutely amazing. I will show you some vibes from here.
Die zahlen nicht gleich, da will ich da hinfahren.
Jo.
Good ride. Got this. Wow guys, first beach that I wanted to show you is Playa Rincón, and you can only access this beach by boat, and the waves, they told me the waves are not bumpy at all, but they were a hell lot of bumpy. So if you plan to come here with your camera, drone or stuff, pack yourself this equipment in a wet pack so it doesn't get wet, because the waves are here so strong. It's really crazy, but it's absolutely worth it. And if I'm not wrong, then the Pirates of the Caribbean have been filmed here, and maybe I can check up the sequence where they what they filmed here, but it's absolutely amazing. And I will not talk too much, I will just show you the beauty of this beach, because it's absolutely nice. No people at all, except of the tourists that come here, but it's not so many, and it's absolutely worth it to come here. It's mad nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the views from above. It's absolutely amazing. What a nice beach. I have one more tip for you guys. If you come here, bring yourself some snorkel masks with you, because the lagoon is absolutely crystal clear. You can see all the fish over there. We are going to discover another beach. That's why I'm not jumping into the water, but it's a thing that you should not miss. And also, if you love deserted beaches, no tourists at all, then this is your place, guys. And actually, they are making some barbecue, so let's ask them how much is the barbecue or some drinks. So guys, arrived at the second place called Playa Madama. It's absolutely mad, really nice, but you have all of the seagrass here because nobody cleans it up. And yeah, it's also a really nice beach. You can go there by passing Playa to Playa Fronton. I recommend a stop to take a picture or two and just enjoy the views, because it's really amazing. And I will show you some views from above. See you. So guys, we are back in Las Galeras. This beach is also absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's paradise, guys. You have palm trees, you have blue water, and you can also enjoy this beach because the boat ride is quite expensive. It costs like $45. So if you're seasick, you should consider just staying here because the waves are pretty bumpy. But it's also worth it to check out Las Galeras because the beach is absolutely amazing. You have a lonely island over there. You have blue waters, coconut palm trees, absolutely amazing. And also there is a second secret beach, not only Playa Fronton, but there is also a second one, and I will link it in the description below. There is my travel guide. I'll write for you guys written. It's an ebook, you can check it out, and there are many more tips about the Dominican Republic that I didn't mention in my videos. Also there is a list of Airbnbs that you can enjoy. Check that out, and now enjoy the views of Las Galeras.
Stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you. Yeah. Now, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stay? Baby, you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you there.
So guys, how should we end today? Of course, with the Presidente
Gin tonic.
and a gin tonic
Cheers.
with a beautiful girl. Amazing. It was an absolute amazing trip. Now we got ourselves some beautiful doradas. It's a fish. I don't know how it's called in English, but it's dorado. Dorados, Los Dorados. It's really good. And
fish.
yeah, we're chilling here at a beautiful hotel. Look at these vibes, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Sun is setting, and we are waiting for our food because we are starving.
Yes, I'm
Cheers.
getting a little bit angry.
No, you should.
Are you afraid?
No. Never. Cheers, guys. Presidente. Ok, gracias.
¿Te gusta?
Está bien. ¿Y una más?
Una-
Sí.
una-
Y dos más. Sí, gracias. And we got our food, guys. This is the dorada fillet. It's a little bit tiny, but it's okay. Stella has some fish in coconut cream. It looks also amazing, like a little curry. And what I love about it, they serve Tabasco with habaneros. Amazing. So we enjoy it and enjoy the views. Epic. Hola, amigo. ¿Está bien? Ok. Bebida fría, frío.
Presidente.
Presidente o otra.
Hay Corona, modelo.
Ok. Show me. Ay. Sí. Ok, ¿cuánto cuesta una? Un poquito. 80. 80. Muy bien, ok. Y una grande esa, ¿cómo? Un jumbo.
A 2,5.
¿Ah?
2,5.
¿De medio?
Esa.
Ah, ok. ¿Y cuánto cuesta uno? Ah, ok. Dos grandes.
Esta no.
Bien, esta no. No, está bien.
Ah, no.
No necesito.
Bolsa.
Ah, ok, gracias. ¿Y abierto?
¿Eh?
¿Abierto?
Ah, aprieta.
Abierta. Gracias, amigo. Eso, no, eso bien.
Ok, gracias.
Gracias, gracias. ¿Gusta?
No.
No. Bebida favorito.
¿Esa es tu favorita?
No, ¿y tú?
Para mí.
Sí.
Sí me gustaba, pero bebí mucho y después empecé a vomitar.
Ron.
Ay,
The ron?
ron.
Okay. So friends, just got myself a little little drink, a little beer, and hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's absolutely worth it to go to Las Galeras. It's an absolutely nice place, really nice beaches, and if you're there, you should also check out Samaná. It's the city here in this peninsula, and also there's a second beach, but you will find it in the travel guide. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and cheers, guys, with some Presidenta. And also you can find here some other videos that I filmed in the Dominican Republic. Hope you enjoy it, and wish you a nice evening. Bueno.